The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I'm there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I am going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media, but before I present any of those videos to you, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Yeah, click it. Now, I saw a video circulating on social media where it is said that Rastafarians from within the country of Jamaica gathered at an open area that is close by to the four-path police station within the parish of Clarendon, that's within the country of Jamaica, on the 10th of August, the year 2021. And it is said that they protested against the alleged trimming of a Rastafarian girl's hair while the Rastafarian girl was in police custody at that four-path police station in Clarendon, Jamaica. According to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that the girl's father talked about the whole incident, and it is said that L.A. Lewis was also there showing his support to the cause. You understand? Now, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. You can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in the video. Alright? It's not really a long video, but I think this video might give you an idea what really happened there. Alright? Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. Alright, so there are the viewers and subscribers. The video that's circulating on social media where it is said that the video is about Rastafarians who gathered at an open area close to the four-path police station in Clarendon, Jamaica, and it is said that they protested against the alleged trimming of a Rastafarian girl's hair while she was in police custody at that police station that is said to be the four-path police station. You can let me know what I think about the video or the whole situation or the incident, alright? Now, I am going to put together and present to you two pieces of videos that are from one entire video that is circulating on social media where it is said that persons who are said to be Maroons from within the country of Jamaica chased men from off of their land. Some places on social media it is said that Maroons from within the country of Jamaica chased men from out of their territory. I do not have any confirmed information as to when the video be recorded nor when the incident happened. I do not have much confirmed information about the video nor the incident, viewers and subscribers, and the video also shows at least two persons who are said to be trespassers with guns. Now, before I present these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, I want you to please bear in mind that in these pieces of videos, you can hear persons yelling and shouting at persons, and harsh languages can be heard as well. Alright? In at least one of these pieces of videos, guns can be seen as well. So before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
Kind of switching a gun now go on here, so that's you wanna fool around your fuck. Why you pointing your gun at a civilian? Stand up! Listen to me, lower your gun. Lower your gun. Lower your gun. What's scared of? You're scared, crew? Please exit. Please exit. No! Please exit. Hey, look here. Please exit. Look here. Please exit. Look here, we did it from please exit. Nothing at all. Calm down. You boy, chief. Let the chief talk. Let the chief talk. Let the chief talk, brother. Let the chief talk. Come on, let the chief talk. Hey, boy, a chief, yo. Hey, do the boy. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Come on. Yo, Lonnie! You're a choose, man.
Alright, now viewers and subscribers, based on some of the things that have been shown and said in those pieces of videos that I just presented to you, are those men who are considered to be trespassers police officers? I'm not saying that they are police officers, no. I'm asking the question, if those men who are considered to be trespassers police officers, because I heard someone in the video said, "What are you gonna look for gun, man?" See it? Have me thinking. Now, viewers and subscribers, I got some unconfirmed informations about the entire video that is circulating on social media, are about the incident shown in the entire video circulating on social media. However, I'm not going to say the unconfirmed information that I got in this video, but I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video letting you know what I heard. You understand? Yeah, you can also ask me questions in the comment section of this video about any of the videos that I presented to you in this video, viewers and subscribers. You see? Yeah, but you see, when it comes down to unconfirmed informations, I don't really like to say it in the video, because sometimes unconfirmed informations are just not correct. Sometimes they are way off. So I'd rather say it in the comment section and let you know what I know. You see me I say? So I just some mistake, alright? So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and you can also ask me questions in the comment section of this video. You know, and I just I'm gonna left it, you know. So big up and respect to each and every single one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to every one of you. You see it? Lot of respect and big up. Alright? So yeah, so I'm gonna left it, my viewers and subscribers, and until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it? Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.